Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for school. First, let's get your account set up. You'll want to create a chart of accounts specifically for your academic life, including categories for tuition, books, and living expenses. Then, link your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions, saving you valuable time and ensuring accuracy from day one. It's a crucial first step for effective financial management. Once set up, tracking your finances becomes straightforward. Record all your income, whether it's tuition fees, scholarship disbursements, or student loan funds. For expenses, categorize everything from textbooks and school supplies to housing and transportation. You can even use tags or classes to differentiate between academic semesters or specific projects, giving you a clear picture of where every dollar goes throughout your educational journey. Now, let's talk about budgeting and reporting. QuickBooks allows you to create a detailed budget, helping you manage your school-related spending effectively. Generate reports like a profit and loss statement or an expense by vendor report to see exactly where your money is going. Regularly reviewing these financial insights will help you stay on track with your budget and make informed decisions about your finances. Finally, here are some advanced tips to maximize your QuickBooks experience. Explore the mobile app for convenient, on-the-go expense tracking, perfect for busy students. Utilize the receipt capture feature to digitize all your paper records, eliminating clutter. You might also consider integrating QuickBooks with other student productivity tools to streamline your financial and academic life even further, making your money management effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.